Hi everybody, Action Kid here. I just got my brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black, and this is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. And a lot of you are curious, will this work with my FeiyuTech G6 Gimbal? So, I just want to show you the Hero 7 Black first. So I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'll just put it side to side. You can see the comparison, how big it is compared to the other one. The GoPro Hero 8 is a little bit bigger, and that's going to be a problem for this gimbal, as I'm going to show you. So the short answer is it doesn't work. But this is the Hero 7 Black, and the way I use it, where you're supposed to use it in the gimbal, is you put it in here, you get the mounting bracket, you stick it here, and then you screw it on. Now this is a little bit finicky to use, but I've gotten used to it over the many months I've using this gimbal. You have to screw it on like this. You can see it's a nice snug fit like that, one side and then the other side. Like that, right? Now it's on. No problem with the Hero 7 Black. I'm going to turn the gimbal on. Okay. Camera's balanced. Well, I moved it a little too fast, but yeah, this is the way it's supposed to work. Alright, now I'm going to try to put the Hero 8 Black on this. Alright, so here's the Hero 8 Black and the gimbal. Put it in here. You can see it's already a little bit of a challenge going in. It's better to do it the other way because this is alright, so this is as much as it can go pretty much. You can see that there's a little bit of spacing here. It won't make it easy to get on, and it's not really flush with the this area. So I'm going to try to put the mounting bracket on. This is the best I can do here. You can like push it on, but it's not going to screw in like this. You see it's not flush with either side, and if I try to screw it on, there isn't really enough length to handle it all. So with some minor adjustments, I would guess this camera could work with the FeiyuTech G6 gimbal, but you can see here because of this, because the GoPro Hero 8 is a little bit bigger than the Hero 7 Black, it's not going to work at all with this gimbal, and there's no way. But I can try turning on this gimbal with, no, I'd rather not. I was going to say I just want to see for balance, which it probably will. But yeah, it won't work with this gimbal, and hopefully there'll be another gimbal to replace it, or another solution, because I want to use this with a gimbal for my walks. But until then, I'm going to try with a stick and see what happens. Okay, and I know a lot of people have problems opening up the GoPro Hero 8 battery door for some reason, like they couldn't get the fingernail to open up the battery door and stuff, but I'm going to show you it's very simple. You see this part here, there's a little groove here. All you have to do is get a fingernail or a coin, I guess, push this down like that, it'll show the red, and you open it up like this. It's as easy as that, and you close it, you push it down, you push this back. Yeah, that's it. Push it down, pull it up. I don't know why a lot of people are having problems opening the door, but it's really that simple. And to put the battery in, you just do this. Put this in like that. A little bit of a tight fit like that. Put this in like that. And it's on. Okay, that's it. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to try this camera out, let you know how it is, and I'll see you next time.